Hello, this is Eric Marchena, and for my STEM project, I interviewed Bradley Yip, who works at Wells Fargo as a financial consultant. Most of Bradley's work is marketing for Wells Fargo and recruiting clients for the bank. He said that financial consultants develop personal financial plans that include savings, retirement, investments, and insurance for his clients. A degree in business administration is typically required for the job of financial consultant. Specifically, Bradley has his Bachelor's of Science in Finance, and he minored in economics. He also has his MBA in Finance and Strategy, and although it's not necessary, he said it helped him obtain more responsibility in his jobs. According to Bradley, interviews are the most common way to get jobs in banking. However, he said that you should be actively marketing yourself on job sites, social media, and through friends and family as young people who are looking to get jobs. Job referrals by people who are already in the business are also very important, and it's a pretty easy way to get into the business. The day-to-day activities of Bradley, the financial consultant, includes a lot of financial jargon that normal people probably don't understand, such as financial analysis and performance reporting, analyzing trends and variances relative to the financial performance of the specified region, supporting bank presidents, district managers, key metrics to help manage the business, and to review and support information to measure profitability of the different regions that you support. Some of the interesting aspects that Bradley said came with his job was learning how the U.S. monetary system works, also bringing financial literacy to his friends and family so that they can be financially stable and have some sort of understanding. And he also said being exposed to large and sometimes comical amounts of money is kind of fun. Thanks for watching. Please give me a good grade.